are some places to visit in Chatham County?
Well, we got quite a few places. I mean, of course, Jordan Lake, recreational lake, can't live on it. It's the water supply for quite a few places around here, but Jordan Lake's huge. We have downtown Pittsboro. That's unique shops and restaurants. Downtown Siler City is up and coming. It has Arts Incubator. It has a couple coffee shops, a couple restaurants, and everything. So it's a quaint, old-fashioned downtown. I live just outside of Goldston. Goldston's a small downtown, but it's got a couple restaurants and shops and everything. It's a neat place to visit. There's Southern Supreme, which is the Fruitcake factory. That's out in Bear Creek, again, near where I live. That place is, it's a famous fruitcake factory. They do the candied pecans and whatnot, but that place actually has touring buses where retirees just come in by the busload and visit their facility.
I'll throw in a note here. I always thought fruitcake was something you gave to someone to insult them, and I was there this year, and it was amazing.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, it was on the Jay Leno. Jay Leno did a segment on it and everything, and that is like the best fruitcake to get. I mean, that's one of the honored traditions for Christmas. We have the Carolina Tiger Rescue here in Pittsboro, which big cat facility where somebody thinks that owning a tiger is a good idea, and then it grows up and eats somebody, and they find out it's not a great idea. So we have the rescue here, and that's a neat facility to visit. They do a good job of taking care of those animals. We have the Rocky River, the Deep River, and the Hall River, which are good for kayaking or mountain biking down some of the trails, or fishing and just walking up and down the river. There's the Fair Game Beverage Company distillery right here in Pittsboro, which is a neat facility. I know they're making vodka. I think they make mead, and also I guess they're doing CBD oil there now. That's the big thing. Everybody's trying CBD oil. Of course, there's Devil's Tramping Ground out at Harper's Crossroads. I took my kids to that. That's an old folklore of. This is an area where the ground doesn't grow any grass or trees, and it's because the devil comes out of his place at night and paces around and plans what evil he's going to do in the world the next day. So nothing grows there. That's pretty neat. There's Celebrity Dairy, that is a goat dairy that's pretty famous for their cheeses and everything. That's out in Silcope. One of my clients used to own Celebrity Dairy, and he took the rafters out of the barn and put them into his house, and then I bought his house from him, and so the wooden beams in my den are from Celebrity Dairy, which is kind of neat. And then there's the M&M Alpaca Farm, which is right here on 64. Marty and Mary, they're clients of mine. I was actually lucky enough to have the opportunity to sell them that land for that facility, and they're doing a great job of integrating the wool into a bunch of products, and they have a store right there, and it's neat to visit the animals. So there's quite a bit to do in Chatham County. Fun place.